Hey Daniel, here's the house in Willard. It's an awesome house and property. However, there is this driveway that I'm in apparently is the wrong one, because this neighboring property is for sale, this complex that has all these outbuildings in the back. And so I believe I'm in the wrong driveway here. And I don't know how you feel about being this close. The driveway is actually over there along with the garage, but there is a sidewalk here. I believe this at one point was all one, joined parcel. But if you look back here, you can see this tree line, which I believe is the property line, where these palms are. And then these other buildings, guest house, outbuildings, all belong to the neighboring property. So that's all sort of right behind the house. Then it juts across. You've got all this here. And then the property juts across this way. And again, I believe this tree line is the property line. It's the back of the house. This is the garage over here. And they've got the cows and the outbuildings back there. And this nice big fenced pasture goes with this property. So I believe we were supposed to have pulled into this driveway and not the other one. So of course you have nice privacy on this side, but this is where the garage is, and the house is right up next to the other one. But as you can see, the land is really gorgeous. Then you have this 3-car garage here. It's got, looks like she uses this more or less for a closet. Oops, kind of dark in here. Then you have a 3-car garage over here. Hello, puppy. Still a cute pup in here. Really nice big garage over here. This goes to the house, so if you were to pull in and park in the garage, you would be able to get to the house from this direction. That leads into a laundry room, mudroom. That door is currently locked, so I'm going to take you through the front door so you can see what it looks like. But it's a gorgeous area. Cows and very pretty rural area. They've done a lot of nice things to the house. There's a few things that need a little work in terms of wood rot, and they might have had a leak at some point. Got tar all over that fascia board. But see how close that next house is right there. And again, it's almost like a shared driveway, but I don't think it is. The inside is adorable. It's got tile floor here. Good sized kitchen. And then this goes, you've got like a little sitting area, sitting room here. Nice big family room here. This is the laundry room where you'd come in from the garage. It's a mud room. This is a bathroom that's open to the hallway for guests, sort of a Jack and Jill, if you will. And it's got a stand-up shower in here. And it's kind of a smallish bedroom right here. That leads back to the kitchen area. This goes down to the master. You have a big closet here, utility closet. or linen or some sort of big closet there. Another big walk-in here. And these floors are that LVP or LVT stuff, that the vinyl tiles. So it's not real wood. It's a nice big bedroom. There is a door that leads outside here. Oh, it's kind of hard to get open. And that, again, is the neighboring house. That's where I parked, just so you get an idea of the layout. Master bath. Has a soaking tub. Double vanity. That's where the hot water heater is. Toilet there and just a stand-up shower here. Great size master bath though. I mean, it's really an adorable house if it didn't have the issue with the lack of privacy, unfortunately. So we looked at that bedroom. I feel like there was another bedroom that I'm missing somehow. Oh yeah, here it is in the front. This is adorable too. So you've got another bedroom up here. The shiplap all on the walls, really cute. This is a good size room. Double closets. Then you have another full bath here. Little built-in area. Looks like they've been watching a lot of HGTV. Linen closet there. So there you have it. It's a really cute house with a great piece of land, very close to the adjoining neighbor that you can see through the kitchen window. So that's the downside, which is, it sounded like from Mike and your son that it would probably be a deal breaker. But I wanted to share it with you so you would have a view for yourself. I'll be curious to hear your thoughts.